Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Zudio security tag. First, gather your supplies, which typically include a strong magnet or a rubber band and a fork. You will need a flat, stable surface to work on, such as a sturdy table. Ensure good lighting so you can clearly see the tag and its mechanism. Remember, patience is key and never force anything. Let's get started on the first method right away. To begin, you will need to gather a few essential items from around your home. For one method, a very powerful magnet, such as a hard drive magnet or a large speaker magnet, will be necessary. Ensure it has a strong magnetic pull, ideally several hundred pounds. The alternative approach requires a wide, durable rubber band and a standard metal fork. Always have a clean, well-lit workspace ready before you start, ensuring everything is within easy reach. With your strong magnet ready, carefully position the Zudio security tag directly on top of its most powerful side. You should feel a slight pull as the tag engages with the magnet's force. Gently but firmly press down on the small dome-shaped pin of the security tag, pushing it towards the magnet. Listen for a soft click, indicating the internal mechanism has released. The pin should then easily slide out of the garment, freeing your item. For the rubber band and fork method, begin by wrapping a sturdy rubber band around the Zudio tag, focusing on the ink cartridge side, multiple times to create good tension. Carefully slide the prongs of a strong metal fork beneath the dome portion of the tag, aiming for a firm grip. With steady, controlled pressure, apply upward leverage with the fork. Simultaneously, maintain the rubber band's tension. This combined force will help dislodge the internal pin, allowing you to remove the tag effectively. Patience is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.